Okay, when you walk in, this is what you see. Like, it's just a disaster. There's mailers, there's 2 plastic bins that I don't even use. I'm gonna have to figure out something with them. My mirror that I haven't hung up, my desk, which is horrendous. Like, there's hair dye stuff, there's makeup, there's scriptures, there's my computer, notebooks, everything. Then my chair, a towel, because I did my friend's hair in here. And then like Christmas stuff and books, random stuff, a T-Rex costume, Christmas stuff and Beats headphones, books, a tripod, pencils, office stuff, makeup, filming stuff. Like, there's nothing even in these drawers. I don't even have stuff in the drawers yet of my desk, and we went to IKEA like 2 months ago. We filmed a vlog about it, and it was a while ago, and we set this desk up immediately. I have not used it for anything other than makeup until right now. I finally set my computer up, and I was like, I'm editing in here, Riley's at basketball, and I have to get some stuff done. So I'm trying to do all of that, and I decided to set you guys up just periodically as I like clean and do stuff to show you my office transformation, and hopefully it'll look super good. Also, if you can give me any advice of what to put here for fall and winter. They are like white roses on vines from our wedding, and I love them. But as a temporary backdrop, or like as a like special video backdrop, it's not fall or wintry at all. And I don't want to hang up like fall leaves or like Christmas, what is it even called, tinsel or whatever. But what do you think would go cute right here? Do you think I should do like a picture wall, or should I do like little things, or should I clean this off and put cute stuff here to have this as my background? I think that's what I want to do for the most part, but I also want this wall just to have like an easy wall in case my desk is messy one day and I want to film a fun video for you. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna make my thumbnail for my video, and then I'm gonna pick up and see what I can get done tonight before Riley comes home, because I kind of want to surprise him with like, hey look, I actually used my office that we spent money on.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, I was gonna wait for Riley to help me with the next part, because I think we want to hang the mirror up on the wall. And if you can see right there, the drawers don't go all the way back, and this is a little too long, and we haven't stuck it with like wood glue or anything onto it. So I probably sound crazy, but I'm gonna try to rest my mirror. It's not super heavy, but kind of, on this back without making it flip. So you guys are gonna watch and make sure I don't die.
I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my trouble.
Okay, I put my laptop and my big like extra makeup case on there just to hold it, because it is lifting a little, and I don't think I'm gonna leave it on there. Riley is on his way home, so I mean, I'm gonna leave it on there until he comes and sees what he thinks. But like, if you can see right here, there is, can you see that lift? Let's see. So right here, this lift There's a little silicone stopper in the middle. So it's not lifting too bad, but it's definitely easier to lift than I would like it to be. So I don't know. I'm super scared. And I also want to get like a plastic or a metal to go over top, or a metal, plastic or a glass, like a clear plastic to go over top so I don't get any makeup or anything on it. I know I can wipe it up, but my desk is too nice. It took me too long to get it even like remotely set up. I don't want to get it messy, so I'm gonna work on that, but the room looks a lot better. I feel like it's less crazy, but I'm gonna be done talking for right now. I'm gonna wait for Riley to come home, see what we can do. If we decide to do any more, I will montage it. If not, then I will see you guys in like 3 seconds for the next time that I do this. Good morning, happy Saturday. We are back cleaning the room. This office is disheveled. It is a disaster in here. I'll show you guys what we're working with, but my goal today is to get everything that's sitting on the floor in front of me right now cleaned up in its spot so I can get this room done, organized. I have a really busy filming day that is not going to start until I get this room done, because this is my filming room, this is my office, this is where I spend so much time editing and getting things done. So let me show you what we're working with. Little update from the last clip. Everything is still everywhere. We even got now some birthday bags, which most of this is just trash, but still. And these are the bins that everything's gonna go into this closet, or it's gonna get put away. So I'm gonna set you guys up and we're just gonna get into this, and I'm just gonna pick everything up and find a place for it. Okay, it's almost there. I have to figure out where to put all of this filming stuff. It's like a backdrop, hanging system, and then one more light, and then a green screen. So I have to kind of figure out where to put that. The closet has like the sweating stuff, memorabilia, things like that. This is all office stuff. We're gonna move these things and put our printer up here, but for right now, that's what it looks like.
We got